Hi everyone, this is Iman here. So I'll be discussing two forms of mutism. First of all is neurogenic mutism, and second of all is psychogenic mutism. So these conditions actually affects an individual's ability to speak, but the underlying causes and manifestations can vary significantly between these two mutism. Let's start with neurogenic mutism, which is this mutism is caused by damage or dysfunction in the nervous system, particularly the brain region that responsible for speech production. Neurogenic mutism's causes are surgery, particularly brain surgeries that could affect speech-related areas, dementia, which is progressive loss of cognitive and speech abilities, traumatic brain injury, which is physical damage to the brain, seizures when it frequently happen, or severe seizures that can cause temporary or long-term speech loss, other nervous system disease, conditions like stroke or neurodegenerative disease. And lastly is medications that certain drugs that could affect brain or nervous system. And neurogenic mutism often presents as an extreme form of other speech disorders, including aphasia, apraxia, and dysarthria, all of which impair different aspects of speech production. So now let's delve into psychogenic mutism. So this form of mutism stems from psychological factors rather than physical brain damage. So it often arises from emotional or psychological trauma that could cause psychogenic mutism. For example, stress, which is major stresses in life that could trigger mutism, or sudden life changes like divorce, breaking up, or major transitions, or moving out, and then feeling threatened by a person may shut down in response to fear. But when we look at psychogenic mutism, it's often classified into the following types, which is elective mutism, which occurs when a person chooses not to speak due to psychological reasons. It is voluntary choices not to communicate, and another one is selective mutism. In this case, the person wants to speak but find themselves unable to speak in specific situations or environments due to maybe anxiety. So importantly, selective mutism is not the same as elective mutism, even though they were once considered the same in older research, but now they are not the same. And the final one is total mutism. This one is referring to a person who does not speak under any circumstances, which can often result from extreme psychological trauma. Finally, to summarize both mutism, neurogenic mutism is caused by neurological damage, whereas psychogenic mutism is triggered by psychological factors. But both present unique challenges, but with the right intervention, many individuals can improve their communication abilities.